Hello friends, myself Mane Pooja, class C4I, studying at Vishweshwarya Polytechnic Almala, Latur, guided by Proof Khamkar UB. Topic: shear force and bending moment. First, see about beam. It is a horizontal structural member in framed structure in which the length of beam is more than other two members, that is width and depth. The study of behavior of beam according to loading and type of supports. It is analyzed in the form of shear force diagram and bending moment diagram, that means SFD and BMD. Now see types of beam. According to support conditions, the beam are classified in following types. First, simply supported beam. Second, cantilever beam. Third, overhanging beam. Fourth, fixed beam. And fifth, continuous beam. Now see about shear force. Shear force at any cross section of beam is the algebraic sum of all vertical forces acting on left or right side of section. Shear force diagram, that means SFD. It is the representation of variation of shear force in graphical along the length of beam is known as shear force diagram. Now see moment. It is the product of force and perpendicular distance between line of action of force and the point about which moment is required to be calculated. Bending moment, that means BM. The moment which causes the bending effect on beam is known as bending moment. It is generally denoted by M or BM. Bending moment. Bending moment at any cross section of beam is the algebraic sum of all moments acting on left or right side of section. Bending moment diagram, that means BMD. It is the representation of variation of bending moment in graphical along the length of beam is known as bending moment diagram. Now see about sign convention. It is a very important parameter for calculation of shear force and bending moment. First, sign convention for shear force. Upward force to the left of section and downward force to the right of section, then taken as positive shear force. Downward force to the left of section and upward force to the right of section, then taken as negative shear force. Sign convention for bending moments. Positive bending moment, that means sagging moment. Clockwise movement to the left of section and anti-clockwise movement to the right of section is taken as positive bending moment. For better understanding, we see diagram. Negative bending moment, that means hugging moment. Anti-clockwise movement to the left of section and clockwise movement to the right of section is taken as negative bending moment. For better understanding, we see diagram. Now calculate SFD and BMD. Draw shear force and bending moment diagrams for a simply supported beam subjected to 3-point loads as shown in figure. First, calculate reactions RA and RB by using equilibrium condition. First condition, summation of moment is equal to 0. Clockwise moment is positive and anti-clockwise moment is negative, taking moment about A. So, minus RB into 8 plus downward force 8 into perpendicular distance 7 plus downward force 10 into perpendicular distance 4 plus downward force 5 into perpendicular distance 2 is equal to 0. By calculation we get RB is equal to 13.25 Newton. Now use second condition of equilibrium. Summation f of y is equal to 0, in which the upward force is considered as positive and downward force is considered as negative. So, RA plus 13.25 is equal to 5 plus 10 plus 8. So, RA is equal to 9.75 Newton. Shear force calculation. Shear force at section 1-1 is denoted as V11 and 2-2 is denoted as V22. So, V00 is equal to 0. V11 is equal to reaction RA is equal to 9.75 Newton. V22 is equal to 9.75 Newton. V33 is equal to 9.75 minus downward force 5 is equal to 4.75 Newton. V44 is equal to 4.75 Newton. V55 is equal to 4.75 minus downward force 10 is equal to minus 5.25 Newton. V66 is equal to minus 5.25 Newton. V77 is equal to 5.25 minus downward force 8 is equal to minus 13.25 Newton. V88 is equal to minus 13.25. V99 is equal to minus 13.25 plus upward reaction RB 13.25 is equal to 0. By using above calculation, we draw SFD. Bending moment calculation. Bending moment at A is denoted as MA and bending moment at B is denoted as MB. So, MA is equal to 0 due to simply supported. Bending moment at C is equal to reaction RA 9.75 into perpendicular distance 2 is equal to 19.5 Newton meter. Bending moment at D is equal to 9.75 into perpendicular distance 4 minus downward force 5 into perpendicular distance 2 is equal to 29 Newton meter. Bending moment at E is equal to 9.75 into perpendicular distance 7 minus downward force 5 into perpendicular distance 5 minus downward force 10 into perpendicular distance 3 is equal to 13.25 Newton meter. Bending moment at B is equal to 0 due to simply supported. By using above calculation, we draw BMD. Nature of bending moment diagram is in sagging, cause all values of bending is positive. Thank you.